This year, Independence Day celebration will be in very different condition due to this COVID-19 pandemic. So, today I am going to talk about our great Indian mathematician. Indian mathematicians emerged in the Indian subcontinent from 1200 BC until the end of the 18th century. The important contributions were made by scholars like Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta, Bhaskara II, and etc. The decimal number system was the first recorded in Indian mathematicians. In the earlier, Indian mathematicians made the contribution to the study of concept of zero as a number. All mathematical works were orally transmitted until 500 BCE. Thereafter, they were transmitted both orally and in manuscript form. Indian mathematicians have made a number of contributions to the mathematics that have significantly influenced scientists and mathematicians in the modern era. Then there are so many Indian mathematicians. In that, Srinivasa Ramanujan is the famous Indian mathematician. He was born on 22nd December 1887 in India. He is the most famous for his contributions to number theory and infinite series, among them fascinating formulas that can be used to calculate digits. He died in 26th April 1920 in Tamil Nadu. Aryabhatta worked on the place value system using letters to signifying numbers. He discovered the position of 9 planets and started that planets revolve around the sun. He also started the correct numbers of days in a year, that is 365 days in a year. The most significant contribution of Brahmagupta was the introduction of zero to the mathematics, which stood for nothing. These are the some importance of Indian mathematicians. Then at last, this year in 2020, our country and all other countries are fighting with COVID-19 disease. It is a responsibility of every citizen to rise and make this country strong in all conditions. So, protect yourself and others from the spread of COVID-19. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.